Want to unlock the secret to pricing your home for a quick and profitable sale? Let's dive into how you can use Redfin to find comparable sales, or comps, and nail that perfect listing price first. Head over to redfin.com and enter the address of the property you want to comp in the search bar. Now, zoom in on the map to focus on the immediate neighborhood. This is crucial because location is key for accurate comps. Next, use the filters button, usually located near the top left. Here's where the magic happens. We need to narrow down the results under property type. Select the same type as your property. Is it a house, condo, or townhouse? Specify the beds and baths to match your property as closely as possible. Most importantly, under listing status, choose sold. This will show us recently sold properties, which are the best indicators of current market value. Adjust the sold within time frame to the last 3 to 6 months for the most relevant data. Now, analyze the sold listings. Click on each one to view its details. Pay close attention to square footage, lot size, features like a garage or updated kitchen, and the final sale price. Look for properties most similar to yours. Compare at least 3 to 5 properties, average their sale prices, adjusting for any differences. For example, if a comp has a smaller lot, slightly decrease its value in your calculation. By using Redfin's filters and comparing key features, you can confidently determine a competitive and attractive listing price. This data-driven approach will attract buyers and increase your chances of a successful sale. Happy selling!